Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. We're going to do some Christmas cake this morning, yay! And it's gonna be alcohol free for my alcohol persons who don't consume alcohol. This one is for you guys. We're going to do the spices I'm going to use is cinnamon powder, mixed spice, nutmeg. We have over here egg replacer, baking powder, butter, grape juice, and the fruits that I've been soaking. We have 2 cups of fruits that I've been soaking about 2 weeks now for you guys. All the ingredients, guys, will be available in the description box down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe to our channel. Let's get straight into this exciting video. Guys, to soak your fruits, that is, no alcohol should be added to it. So I've soaked mine in some grape juice, and the juice, you can use any grape juice. I use the True Juice grape juice. We're going to sift together all our dry ingredients first, and I have here 3.5 cups of flour, Christmas cake. Growing up, I look forward for Christmas time because guess what? We get to bake with our grandma and our aunties. Yes, I love Christmas time. This time of year, guys, is my time. Happiest person alive. And growing up, you know, I never really liked Christmas cake, so they would always bake a special cake for me, which include no browning, only fruits and the flour. I didn't like black cake when I was growing up at all. Alright, so we're going to sift all the dry ingredients, which include the flour or salt, baking powder, and spices, right? Want to get this out of the way. And it's very important to sift your ingredients because you see that now, you don't want nobody bite down on that, and it's very distasteful, right? So we want to get those out of the way. Don't want anybody bite down on that and taste that. Properly combine all your dry ingredients. Want to rest this aside, right? Not ready for this yet. And proceed into activating your egg replacer. If you don't have egg replacer, you can use apple sauce, right? This is the Bob Red Mill egg replacer. So to this I have here 3 tablespoons. I'm going to add like about 12 tablespoons of water. So I divide the 3 tablespoons in 2 because everything can hold in this little thing here. Add in our sugar and butter. We're going to cream together the sugar and the butter, right? You want to stop and give the bowl a scrape down, and you continue to cream together the butter and your sugar. Want it to be smooth and fluffy, right? We're going to puree our fruits, and we have in this, we have prune, we have orange peel, we have cherries, we have raisins, we have currant. If you don't like something, guys, just omit the fruit, right? Add in our egg replacer. Okay guys, we're going to fold the dry ingredients into the butter. Followed by some of the grape juice. Mixed fruits. Flour. So you cut and fold, right? And when it get too tight, you add in your liquid. And our vanilla. Going in now with our browning. And you add the browning to the desired darkness that you like, alright? Okay guys, we're going to grease our baking tin. And we want to bake our cake here for around 45 minutes or until the cake is dry. You know, when you insert a skewer in the cake, it should come out dry, not wet. So you properly grease your tin. And this cake batter will give you 2 8-inch cake. And guys, you want to make sure you preheat your oven, right? We're going to bake this for 45 minutes and we're going to water bath it, meaning that we're going to put an additional baking tin on one of the cake tray to steam the cake while the cake is baking, all right? All right, so catch you back when this is baked. Both our cake has been out of the oven and cooled down. If you're going to use the cake tin, the required time is about 45 minutes. If you're going to use these thin little disposables, it won't take that long. So keep just a little pointer for you guys. Our cake has finished baking, guys, and they're looking so lovely. They smell lovely. We can't slice into it yet. We'll wait a little while. All right, guys, you would normally spray our cake just to moisturize it. This part is optional, but I like to do it. And then we're going to cut into this one now. So amazing. It's not even fully cool, guys, but me can't wait. I'm not going to lie to you. When it's fully cooled, we have a nice cake here, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Until next time, happy holidays.